What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another lesson. This is actually a new tutorial version of a song I've already done, and I just thought I'd do an updated tutorial with a better PDF with all the strumming and picking pattern if you want to play with the picking pattern like sounds pretty nice. Some chord progressions, and then the full PDF with the lyrics and the solo part and everything. Okay, so check out the links in the description. You can download that at the Jooba People community. All the links for that will be in the description of this video. All right, so let's jump right into it. Let's start with the chords. So a lot of people on YouTube teach it with the B minor here at the bottom, like this B minor. So like, but the way I play it, I like it a little bit more. But I'll show you both ways anyway. Then you can decide. Okay, so the first chord is this B minor chord going to a B minor at 9. Now let's just zoom in here for a little bit of a better view. So we have a B minor. This is a regular B minor. You can think of it as a G5 chord, which everybody plays. And just take the ring finger up one string. And then move this whole thing over to the 7th fret. And be sure to mute the 5th string. If you don't, it would... sounds really bad. And then you put your index finger just behind the ring finger on the same string, the 3rd string. Then you get that B minor add 9. And you can put it back if you want, like. G chord, and you could do kind of the same thing but with G going to G major 7. So the weird thing technique wise is this finger straight and this one is bent a lot on that joint there. That's how we play the intro with those 4 chords. Very beautiful chords in the key of B minor and the key of D. And then for the verses and the chorus, we're going to use these easy chords. D, E minor 7, G again, and then B minor, A, G. So the whole thing through our ring finger stays anchored over here. Now, for the strumming patterns, if you're struggling with them, there's 2 patterns. The one we use for the intro and the one we use for the verse and the chorus and all the other parts, okay? Now, the one is in 4/4 time signature, meaning you count it as 1, 2, 3, 4. 6/8, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can hear that, and you can words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the, let's start with that pattern. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. It's a pretty simple pattern, okay? But the intro pattern, you can divide it into 3 parts. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So 2 long ones that you count to 3 and then 1 short one. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Maybe you first want to do it just on 1 chord, just on a B minor, like. You know? So that could work. Then if you want to pick this whole thing, you can do the P-I-P-M-P-I pattern, this one. Okay, so if I was on a B minor chord, let's do this B minor chord, then these two fingers are on strings 3 and 2, and the thumb is going to alternate between 5 and 4. P-I-P-M-P-I, P-I-P-M. Don't want the world to see me. Obviously with the G I take my thumb all the way to the top, but the other fingers stay the same. With D I just keep the thumb here. So that's the picking pattern. Now the chord progressions are what you want to get your head around next. There's only these many chord progressions. A little bit different in the solo, we'll get to that now. But these are the chord progressions that you want to memorize. So intro is that's simple, okay? And then for all the other parts or the verses is going to be B minor A G. I just don't know. Oh, what a beautiful song. I love this. I love it. And then for the chorus, you just repeat bag, B-A-G. Okay? So here's the song. I'm going to go through it a little bit. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments or in the community. By the way, in the community, you can watch ad-free tutorials of all my tutorials, and you can navigate them really easily. It's really fun. It's really a cool place to be. Okay, so there you can see all the chords. I'm not going to go through this again. I think I will go through the solo part, the instrumental part quickly, and just play you through what I would do here, because there are some different voicings there, like the F sharp minor, which we haven't gotten to. Now, the F sharp minor, you can play one of two ways. You can do this F sharp minor, or this one, if you're comfortable using your thumb. Okay, and D over F sharp, you play a D with the F sharp in the bass, or like this. So we got you do that 3 times. Oh, sorry. And then when the solo starts, you do B minor, or here. That part twice, okay? And then once that drops and the song drops low, then it goes to the 6/8 pattern again, going and B minor. Now that A, I used this B minor and then this A. Now this is like an A add 9 chord. Sorry. Very beautiful chord. So, and there you go. Then I drop back into the chorus. Okay. Pretty simple song, nothing really. I'm not going to go into the electric guitar solo, that you're going to get a bunch of tabs for and lessons, but basically he's playing that with the slide guitar, just a little tube thingy on his finger, and that kind of thing. Yeah, download the PDF. I'll see you in the community. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thanks, guys.